I'm bored. SUMMERMESS day 2.
My head under my bed, thinking something.
It's so common here. Wow. Look at this. That's cute. Welcome to my cooking channel. Nah, I'm just kidding. You're aesthetically pleasing. This one's giving like the modern one. This is like a this is cute. This one's cute. Look at this. So put your glasses in the wine. This is what I like because it's giving rainforest vibes. It's giving like aesthetic vibes. I need this. This is cute. Look at this mirror. This is giving lunch, like dinner, like patio vibes. You know, like pretty Friday night patio vibes. Look at this. It's so cute. This is very cute. Girl, I want a cabinet like this. Shit. Okay, okay. Look at the setup. It's cute. It's good. Look at this mirror. Yeah. Okay, the closet is giving. I don't know why I keep running back to these mirrors. Look at it. Closet. I want a walk-in closet. I think we're heading to the closer aisle of IKEA, but we'll see. Look at these. Ew. Have a little cotton. It'd be cute for putting my books. Oh, look at this one. We're getting closer to the lights. We're now in the light section. Oh, cute. Oh, look at this. Look at all these lights. I knew we were gonna get to the light section. Getting closer to the plant section now. Oh my god, we are. There's more plants over there. Look. Birds of paradise. Oh my god. We're finally leaving IKEA. I'll see y'all in the next vlog though. SUMMERMESS day 3, which is my graduation. This weather is no joke. Look at this shit. Oh my god. It's gonna rain bad. Let's protect my camera at all costs. But thanks for watching this vlog. It was fun. I'll see y'all later in the next vlog. Bye.